my channel, and we are here in Dubai. Hi guys, so we're gonna go and try this chicken pilau at the Bravo Star restaurant in Sheikh Zayed Road. So if you are living in Sheikh Zayed Road, you definitely need to try this chicken pilau from Bravo Star restaurant. They do free delivery on WhatsApp. You can just call them. I'll put the details on the description below, guys. So let's get to the restaurant and try this chicken pilau, right? So I always find an excuse to have this chicken pilau, guys, because this is one of my best and this is one of my favorite, and I think in the whole Sheikh Zayed Road, the main road, and in the downtown, this is one of the best chicken pilau, guys. So if you are here in Dubai, it's a must try. And why it is the best, it's a surprise. When you get to the restaurant, you will find out yourself. So let's get to the restaurant. Guys, we are finally here in the restaurant. Just onto my right side, that's the restaurant, Bravo Star restaurant. Guys, unfortunately the restaurant is very busy for lunch, so I couldn't find a space to dine in. So I'm going to go to my apartment and then do a WhatsApp order. It's about 5 minutes drive, so let me go to the apartment, freshen up and get the pilau, and I'll show you what that pilau looks like from my apartment. That will be much better. Guys, we are back in the apartment, so unfortunately we couldn't dine in, so I'm going to do a WhatsApp order. So they take about 10 to 15 minutes maximum, because it's about 1 kilometers from here. So let me do a WhatsApp order. Guys, so finally I received my order, right? So I've got one papadam, my favorite, and a pickle. This is a mango pickle, right? A small tub of mango pickle, and this is also my favorite, some raita, right? With some cucumber and onion. And this is, let me leave it here, and this is a large portion, guys, right? You see that basmati, long grain basmati, right? You can see it's very moist. It's hot because the restaurant is close by. I get it delivered and it's very hot. The rice is long grain, guys, long grain basmati, right? And if you want, you can ask them to make it spicy or moderate, medium. It's up to you, right? And the best part of this chicken pilau is this restaurant add chicken with the bones in it, without that's the best part of this chicken pilau, right? You see this is a chicken with the bone. I prefer chicken with the bone because it infuses, it stocks, it creates that flavor to the rice, and it's amazing, guys. And the chicken is so moist, guys. Look at that, so moist and juicy, right? I always reserve this pilau for a Friday, especially for Friday, right? Because this is a special dish and this is absolutely delicious, guys. Trust me, you need to try this, right? And you get so many pieces of chicken. Let me show you, right? There's one piece here, right? There's a lot of chicken, guys, a lot of chicken. And it's all with the bones. That's the best part of this pilau, right? See how much chicken you find it here. That's why it's tasty, because there's more flavor from the bones, You know, if you make a pilau with boneless chicken, it's not going to create that flavor, right? And there's a lot of rice, guys, trust me, right? If you're really hungry, there's a lot of rice and it's going to fill you really good, right? So let me take the first bite. mm, that's really good, man. That's really good. It's very warm. It's not spicy. It's moderate. Let me take another bite. mm. The best part of this pilau is, if you're really hungry and it's just one mouthful will really make your day, guys. You need to try it. And the heat from the chilies, the green chilies, and the tomatoes, especially the long grain basmati, creates that. I don't want to talk because I want to take the next bite because it's so good. If you want to increase the flavor, if you want to make it more tasty, this is what you have to do. Take a piece of papadum, some papadum, and that raita, and a little bit of that chutney, guys. Mango chutney. Mix it with the chicken, right? And take a big bite. It's worth the wait. And the coolness of the curd or yogurt and the crispiness of the papadum with the moist and juicy chicken, guys. You can just imagine how this is uh, flavorful, right? mm. Wow. So I'm gonna enjoy my chicken palau. I hope you guys like it, guys. If you want to try it, please do order, try it, and leave your comments in the comment section below, guys. So thank you for watching. Sorry I couldn't do a proper video in the restaurant because it was busy.